Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about 3-bit population count. So here is our problem statement. A population count circuit counts the number of ones in an input vector. Build a population count circuit for a 3-bit input vector. So our input vector is 3-bit and output vector is of 2 bits. So we have to count the number of ones in the input vector like 111 or 011. So we have to count. So for that we have to use the for loop, because we have to iterate each and every bit to see whether that bit is 1 or no. So we have to use the for loop, and the for loop we need an integer, that is I, and a count. So that for count is like the variable we need to store after the each iteration. So we have to first declare the integer I comma count. So we know that before using any conditional statements or loops, we always use always at any sensitive list and begin. So now we have to use the for loop. For I equal to 0, we will be starting from the 0th bit. I should be less than 3 and I should be equal to I plus 1. That is, we should iterate after each and everything to begin. So we have to initialize the count as 0 at the start of the loop. Then we have to do the condition. If so, what is the condition is that whenever we encounter that bit as 1, so we will increment the count. So if input of I equal to 1, so this will be our condition. Like, it will be checking each and every bit of the input. Begin equal to count equal to count plus 1. So whenever the encounter 1, so the count will be increment to 1. We will end the if loop and we will end the for loop. And in always only we have to return the count. So the output will be out equal to count. So let's see if our code works. So we have to begin the we have to end the always loop also. Let's submit the code. As you can see, compilation process has been started. So there are few of the warnings. Status incorrect. Okay, let me see what error we have done. So it is okay. Okay, we have to keep this out of the always loop. Let's try this. Resubmit the code. So there is an error. What's the error? Expecting this near this. Always at this begin, this ends here, this begin, this ends here, this begin, this ends here. Let's assign. So still it is showing as incorrect. Okay, so after each iteration the count is going to 0. So maybe we have to remove this, and it should be at the before the loop, because we have to initialize this count as 1 before the beginning of the loop, not after each iteration. So as you can see, the status was success. So main two errors was that we have to give this out and assign, because it is out of the for loop and always loop. So it will be directly a combinational statement. And count should be initialized 0 before the beginning of the loop, not inside the loop. If we give inside the loop, then it will be making count equal to 0 after each iteration. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll be seeing about gates and vectors.